Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into how artificial intelligence can actually help you make money. We'll explore practical strategies, tools, and tips to leverage AI for boosting your income. Whether you are looking to start a new venture or enhance your current business, let's get into it. AI-powered content creation. Got a brilliant idea but lack the time or skills to write about it? AI-powered content creation tools are here to help. Platforms like Jasper and Copy.ai can generate articles, blog posts, and social media content in minutes. For instance, tech entrepreneur Gary uses AI to streamline his content strategy, allowing him to focus on high-impact activities. By leveraging these tools, you can amplify your voice and reach a larger audience more efficiently. Start by experimenting with these tools to create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Next tool is AI for trading. Thinking about investing but feeling overwhelmed? Well, here AI trading boards like those offered by platforms such as eTrade or Wealthfront can be your financial game changer. These tools analyze market data, predict trends, and execute trades at lightning speed. Renowned investor Jim Cramer has highlighted the role of AI in modern trading. With AI, you can optimize your investment strategies and watch your portfolio grow while you focus on other important aspects of your life. Start by researching AI trading boards and setting up a demo account to see how they work. Our third tool is AI for personalized marketing. Ever notice how some ads seem tailor-made for you? That's AI at work. Tools like HubSpot and AdRoll use AI to understand consumer behavior and create highly targeted ads. For instance, the brand Glossier uses AI to personalize its marketing efforts, driving significant engagement. By using AI to craft personalized marketing campaigns, you can better connect with your audience and boost your sales. Start by exploring AI marketing platforms and analyzing how they can enhance your current strategies. Next is AI for business automation. Tired of repetitive tasks? AI automation tools like Zapier and UiPath can handle everything from managing emails to automating customer support. For example, Shopify uses AI to streamline its operations, allowing entrepreneurs to focus on growth and innovation. Begin by identifying your repetitive tasks and exploring how AI can automate these processes. Our fifth and last tool of this video is AI for education and skill development. Learning is a lifelong journey, and AI-powered education platforms like Coursera and Duolingo can make it easier than ever. These platforms adapt to your learning style and pace, helping you master new skills efficiently. By leveraging AI for education, you can acquire new skills that open doors to exciting career opportunities. Start by choosing a skill you are passionate about and exploring AI-driven learning platforms that offer personalized education. The AI revolution is not just for tech enthusiasts, it's for anyone ready to seize the future. These tools require some learning and experimentation, but the potential rewards are immense. Start exploring these AI solutions, tailor them to your needs, and watch how they can transform your financial future. Believe in yourself, stay curious, and let AI be your partner on this exciting journey. Your path to financial freedom starts now. So that is all for this video. Comment below your opinion or suggest some more AI-driven tools. Till then, see you in the next one.